Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be talking about should you chill your seed or not, or better known as cold stratification. It's December right now, the end of December, so it's a perfect time to go ahead and buy seed that needs cold stratification. Go ahead and look at the seed packet of those flower seed you're looking to buy, or search online for the plant you're looking to grow, because it may need a period of cold stratification, which is a process that takes place between 33 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and it takes 4 to 12 weeks to take place, depending on the plant. Now, not all seeds need a period of cold stratification. However, the plants that do are typically perennial. There are some annuals and biennials that need it, and typically your vegetable seeds don't need it as well. It's mainly just perennials if you actually look at the whole grand scheme of things. Now, what cold stratification does for the seed is it helps break that seed's dormancy, and it helps break a protective layer that's on that seed, so it can go ahead, take in some moisture and germinate for you, giving you a higher germination rate, so you feel really successful when you're growing all this seed. It's all growing for you because you cold stratified it and your seed's happy. It'll make you think you have a very, very green thumb. And in order to do the process, you can go ahead, take a 10-20 tray, fill it with damp, not wet, sand, peat moss, put your seeds in there. Go ahead, put them in the refrigerator. Put them in the refrigerator if you have the room. Put them in a unheated greenhouse, a hoop house, a cold frame. Cover them lightly with a sheet of plastic to help maintain that dampness, help keep the rodents out of there, because sometimes mice or voles will try to dig in your tray and make a little home. Or if you don't have any of that, and let's say you have a porch with an overhang, because I know I have a couple porches here at the house that have an overhang, go get a table, one of those cheap greenhouse racks from Harbor Freight, or what's that place called? One of the dollar stores, and go ahead and put it underneath there, and you can put your trays on there to get cold germinated. That way you have some room and you're not throwing in your refrigerator if you don't have the room. But once that seed sprouts, you can go ahead, pot them up, plant them outside depending on the time of year, and you'll have a higher success with a seed that needs that cold stratification process. It's not difficult. Don't make it difficult. Sometimes as gardeners, we tend to do that sometimes, but it's really not a difficult process, and you'll thank yourself that you did it, because it really is that easy, and you'll have a higher germination rate. Thanks for joining me, everyone, and until next time, bye-bye.